Hello, welcome everyone. Today we will understand what is Azure Disk Encryption in this video. For this one, I have to have my VM with the unmanaged disk. So usually the managed disk will be protected by Microsoft itself. That was SSE protection they will give. For an unmanaged disk, so the disk will not be automatically encrypted. Manually we have to check our encryption. So if it is this unmanaged disk means encryption will not be enabled. But if it is a VM with managed disk means I have created this VM with managed disk. So if you go to the disk means it automatically encrypted with SSE with primary platform managed key. But in our case, in this if it is with unmanaged disk means it will not be encrypted. We have to manually do the encryption. So that we have to go to this Azure Disk Encryption only. So here we can select the disk also, OS disk or both OS and data disk we have to select for according to our requirement. So depending on the cruciality of the data in the OS disk or the data disk, we have to decide our choice. So if the disk means mainly we have to understand here this Azure Disk Encryption is associated with Azure Key Vault. For that one we have to have our own key vault, and for additional security we have to provide the encryption key also and with its version to protect the secret. So this is how we can ensure the Azure Disk Encryption. And if it is a Windows VM, it will be protected by BitLocker technology. If it is our Linux VM means, so it will be protected by DM encrypt. So and this Azure Disk Encryption is resilient to zone-wide outages also. So that is also it is helping to protect our data if any outages occurs. And next, if you want to summarize this Azure Disk Encryption means it allows both OS data or temporary disk also. This ADE will will provide the encryption. And so if we are protecting our OS only, encryption level only, so encrypts the cache also. That cache will also be encrypted. And also it provides protection against data access when VSTs are downloaded from Azure if you are downloading with Azure Storage Explorer, that VST also will be protected. And we cannot mix the ADE with the another one user can one disk encryption set. We cannot mix with another user. So these are all the few points about this Azure Disk Encryption. So let us see few more concepts in Azure in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.